Hello and welcome to my channel. Today let's make the most delicious and the easiest evening snack recipe, that is sweet corn in 4 flavors. So let's begin with the recipe. I'm using 3 ears of corn, preferably the fresh ones. So first peel the husk. Now remove the corn silk, clean it. Once the corn is clean, transfer it to a cooking vessel, cut it into halves. Add enough water and bring it to a boil and then cook for 10 minutes. Once it's cooked completely, it turns soft and darker in color. Now transfer it to a plate and let it cool completely. Now it's time to remove the corn kernels from the cob. You can simply pluck it or use a knife. Using a knife will make it easier. Remove all the corn kernels from the cob and keep it aside. The first flavor is butter pepper. For this, heat a pan, add a teaspoon of butter to it. When the butter starts melting, add 1 cup of cooked corn in a 250 ml cup and saute this for about 1 minute. Add some salt to taste. Please note I haven't used any salt while cooking. Now add 1/8 teaspoon or a pinch of black pepper to this. Saute and switch off the flame. And it's ready to serve. The second flavor is using chili and lemon. To a pan, add 1 teaspoon of butter. When the butter melts, add 1 cup of cooked corn to it. Saute for a minute. Add some salt to taste. 1/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili. You can also use the regular red chili. Use it in a lesser quantity. Saute for few seconds. Now add half teaspoon of lemon juice to it. Mix well and switch off the flame. Transfer this to a serving bowl. The next one is using veg garlic mayo with some herbs. Heat a pan, add 1 cup of cooked corn to it. I'm using 1 tablespoon of veg garlic mayonnaise. You can also use the plain one. Now add it to the corn. Saute for a minute. Add some salt to taste. Add a pinch of red chili flakes. 1/4 teaspoon of butter. A pinch of mixed Italian herbs. Mix well and it's ready to serve. Switch off the flame. The last flavor is fresh coriander and cumin. Heat a pan, add half teaspoon of butter to it. I'm using half cup of corn in 250 ml cup. Saute this for a minute, add some salt to taste. Add 1/8 teaspoon or a pinch of cumin or jeera powder. Black salt a pinch. Saute. To this add 1 teaspoon of freshly chopped coriander leaves and mix well. Switch off the flame. Add 5 to 6 drops of lemon juice. Mix well. It's now ready to serve. Do try all the flavors and let me know which one was the best. If you liked watching this, do subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.